how to withdraw Binance Web3 wallet to exchange. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to withdraw any coin from Binance Web3 wallet to exchanger. So after you open up now the Web3 wallet like this, now here is the wallet. So all you have to do now, go to asset at the bottom right side. So after you come to this asset, now go and search for the coin that you want to withdraw. So here you'll be able to see all your coins or all your assets. So for me, I want to withdraw, let's say USDT. After you select the USDT like this, now all you have to do, tap on this send button. But before we tap on the send button, make sure you choose the network at the top. Now I'm choosing here, is it Binance Smart Chain? If you are using like Solana network or other network, just swipe to right like this and go to and select the network and tap on this send button. So all you have to do now, from this option, now tap on this option now or paste in the address. After you tap on this option, tap on this paste button. So after you paste in the address like this, now tap on this done and tap on this continue. After you tap on this continue, now specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 300 USDT. After you type in the amount, just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT will be sent into your Binance exchanger from the wallet. And that's it, guys.